Question number 3. There will be 8 questions carrying 3 marks each. You have to attempt any 5 out of this. In this question, the variety of sub-question will be asked, such as give explanation using the given statement, suggest the remedies and measures, explanation of diagrams, complete the table, complete the charts, explain with the help of example, solve the numerical problems, complete the diagram and complete the paragraph. These kinds of question can be asked in the question number 3. Question number 3. Answer the following question. In that you have to attempt any 5 questions. First question. Define heredity. Explain the mechanism of hereditary changes. First of all, student, you have to read the question very carefully and you have to think how you will going to frame the answer. So writing the answer is not difficult, but the framing of answer is very important. For that you have to read the question very carefully and you have to identify or you have to understand what they are asking. So first they are asking define heredity. So you have to first define heredity in your first point. So heredity is what? Heredity is the process by which the biological character from parental generation are transmitted to the next generation through the genes. Through the genes is very important word. So heredity is basically what? It's the transmission of biological character from one generation to the next generation. So for that, this definition you will get 1 marks. Second point will be the mechanism of hereditary changes. So you have to also mention any 2 points for the mechanism of hereditary changes. Sudden changes in the parental DNA can cause the mutation. This result into the change in the hereditary characters, and some mutation may be minor but some may be considerable. So for this point you will get 1 mark. And next point, at the time of meiosis, the crossing over takes place between the homologous chromosome. Homo means what? Same. Logous means what? Location. This creates the new recombination of the genetic information. Therefore, the haploid gametes carry hereditary characters that are different from those of the parent. So for this point you will get 1 marks. So 1 mark here, 1 mark here and 1 mark here. Total you will get 3 marks for this answer. To watch this full video, do visit Kalakar Education YouTube channel.